Today, we're taking a close look at the PUR Plus Faucet Mount Water Filter, a high-performing, easy-to-use filtration system that's certified by both the Water Quality Association and NSF to remove up to 70 different contaminants. I've tested both the vertical and horizontal versions, and in this video, I'll show you which one I prefer, the top features I love, a few drawbacks you should know, and who the system is best suited for. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Price and value. When it comes to value, the PUR Plus is tough to beat. The vertical model runs between $22 and $35, depending on color and bundle. The horizontal version costs $27 to $48, and that includes a Bluetooth-enabled option. Replacement filters are around $18 each. But here's a pro tip. Grab the 4-pack for $45. That brings the cost down to just $11.25 per filter, and each one lasts about 3 months. So for just $45 a year, you'll get clean, filtered water straight from your faucet. No bottles, no refilling pitchers. Step 2. Features and performance. Now let's talk features, and there's a lot to like here. WQA and NSF certified. Standards 42, 53, and 401, meaning it reduces chlorine, lead, mercury, VOCs, herbicides, and even trace pharmaceuticals. Uses mineral clear technology for crisp, refreshing, alkaline-tasting water. Each filter handles up to 100 gallons, lasting around 3 months. Universal fit. Works with all PUR faucet systems. On-off switch lets you instantly toggle between filtered and unfiltered water. Tool-free installation, done in under a minute. And a filter change indicator light reminds you exactly when it's time for a replacement. Overall, it's fast, clean, and extremely easy to maintain. Step 3. Drawbacks. Of course, no product is perfect. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Compatibility. It only fits standard faucets. If you got a pull-down sprayer or designer faucet, it won't fit. Battery. The filter change light runs on a non-replaceable battery. Once it dies, you'll need to track changes manually. Plastic build. The housing is all plastic, durable enough, but heavy water pressure could cause cracking. Size. It's a bit bulky, especially on small sinks or tight faucet setups. Hot water warning. Never run hot water through the filter. It can damage the cartridge permanently. Step 4. Vertical versus horizontal, which is better? After testing both, my pick is definitely the horizontal version. It extends backward instead of straight up, saving space and feeling less awkward when washing dishes. Both models install the same way. Just unscrew your faucet aerator, attach the included adapter, and tighten by hand. That's it. Less than a minute, no tools required. Step 5. Who should buy this? This system is perfect for people who drink a lot of water and don't want to constantly refill a pitcher. Renters or small households who want easy, on-demand filtered water. Anyone looking for a certified, affordable filtration system. Homes without space or budget for reverse osmosis or under-sink setup. If your faucet isn't compatible or your sink is tight on space, you might want to look into an under-sink or countertop filter instead. The PUR Plus Faucet Mount Filter is a reliable, budget-friendly, and easy-to-use solution for cleaner, better-tasting water. Just make sure your faucet fits before buying. I've dropped links to both the vertical and horizontal models, plus the filter packs, down in the description, so you can check them out yourself. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY home and water tech videos, and share this video with someone looking to upgrade their tap water setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.